think my heart runs faster than my mind every time you look at me that way. I try to play it cool, take my time, but my feelings never wanna stay. I'm already seeing future conversations, laughing in rooms we've never been, while you're still asking simple questions, and I'm scared I'm diving in. Maybe I'm moving too fast again, saying too much with where I stand. I don't wanna scare you away, but I don't know how to slow my hands when they reach for something real before the moment even lands. Maybe I'm moving too fast again, falling deeper than I planned. I replay every word you say like it's a song inside my head, trying not to cross that line between what's felt and what's unsaid. You're taking steps and I'm already running, building worlds you haven't seen. I don't mean to rush the story, but your presence feels like destiny. Maybe I'm moving too fast again, saying too much with where I stand. I don't wanna scare you away, but I don't know how to slow my hands when they reach for something real before the moment even lands. Maybe I'm moving too fast again, falling deeper than I planned. If I could pause my heart, I would, just to breathe inside this space. But when something feels this good, it's hard to put love in its place. So if I'm ahead of where we are, just know it's real, not pretend. I'm not rushing you on purpose, my heart just runs ahead again.